It's Happy New Year in Bangladesh. So hey there guys, I'm here in Bangladesh, Dhaka, and it's my first layover here. And it so happened that it is the new year here. So I would like to greet you all. Hold on a second. I would like to greet you all Shovo Novo Borsho. So that's Happy New Year in Bengali. So yeah. So I'm here at the top of the hotel. They are having an event or something. So I just went out to check it out because they said that everything else is closed, the malls and everything for this special day. So I'm stuck here and I just want to go and see what it's all about. So basically this is their New Year's party and right now it's 2 p.m. and there's not much people here at the moment, just pretty little ladies. I took some picture with them. It's actually a big event and I paid a small fee to get inside, and it says that they have a fortune teller, music and all traditional stuff in there. So right now I'm just trying the traditional food and if you can see all the foods I have took footage of, and this is my plate. Let's try all of them. They're gonna make me one chai pudding. Is that curry?
Yeah?
Curry?
Yeah, curry.
Oh.
Curry sauce. Curry sauce.
Curry sauce. What is your name?
My name Salma.
Salma?
Saima.
Saima.
Yeah.
Oh, my first henna tattoo. First hand henna tattoo. Right, isn't that so pretty? Hello. Good. Oh, it's an infinity pool. So nice. Wow. Look at that. Hey guys, it's me again. I just went out of the venue. This is just across the venue. This is the pool area of the hotel. They have an infinity pool. Woot woot! Can't wait to dip into that. Perhaps later or tomorrow.
One, two, three, here we go. 1, 2, 3, here we go.
No sex, no sex.
So that's it, guys. This is it for me today. This is my day 2 in Bangladesh, and I have enjoyed it so far. And you have seen me enjoy the New Year's yesterday and our breakfast this morning. And even though that we didn't go to the city to enjoy, because every shop is closed, I still enjoyed the hotel myself. And yay! It's a wrap for this vlog, and I hope to see you guys on my next destination. I hope to still come with me and enjoy the place with me. So for now, I will go back to my room and prepare for the flight and go back to base. And as always, thank you for watching my videos. Please like or thumbs up the video if you want me to make more videos like this. Please put on the comments if you have any questions and any requests of what other kinds of videos you want to see from me. And if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys later. Bye! Fly with you soon! Mwah!